Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody asked for some help. And first of all, for the person that posted this, that's beautiful. That's really handy, really neat. It looks like two layers laid on. My only suggestion, this looks like MDF. I would likely sand that burn residue off. But that's just me. Some people like the burnt look, so I'm not going to go there. So they were talking about, and I really asked for one of the files, and I just wanted to make the video in case she doesn't send it. They want them all to be the same, and I made them quite large. But I duplicated this into this space where the address would go. And there's ways to do this in print merge. But if you have your, let's say I've just typed out 4 addresses. And I've got my nudge factor set on 7.25, which is the same amount for all these duplications. So I'm going to take our first address, I'm going to hold down this key, shift key, and select the second. I'm going to go EC like easy and cat, and then I'm going to move that over. Select that, hold down the shift key, EC, move it over twice. That time I got the box, which you don't want to transfer, just transfer, so twice. Shift key the box, EC, grab the address, nudge it over 3 times. It'll be right in the center because that's where it is. And then, so I wrote down here, I've got a nudge of 7.25 and 6. So I nudge these over 6 inches down. They're quite large. So we'll just put one in the next layer. Hold down the shift key, grab the box, EC, and then nudge just the name over. And you could do quite a few. If you can import, if somebody emails you, or you've got a document where you could bring the addresses into, you could do this quite quickly. And I'm hoping this is what they were asking. I mean, you can. There's another way to look at this. Let's take but if you did it the other way, you'd have to worry about that box printing or cutting, because you could actually have that box there on all your files, and then just take that address and then grab your box and go EC. You could do that for each deal, but I think the nudge factor is pretty important because that cut line is never going to be in play to cut this out. Anyway, I hope that's what they were asking, and thank you for watching.